Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. So, we'll be picking three cards for your daily energies and three cards for what your person feels about this relationship, and three cards for your energy, guys. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So these are for your person's energy towards this relationship or what they feel about you. And this is what you may feel about them, guys. So let's turn the cards for your daily energies. The Sun in reverse. Three of Cups in reverse. Ace of Swords in reverse. Pisces, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you may be seeing certain delays in your work situation, certain struggles. So you need to you are coming to a conclusion of that. Maybe certain things are finally concluding after many struggles, and certain achievements are coming after lots of obstacles, certain delays and suspensions. So you are reaching success for sure, but not with delays. So certain obstacles were there in your work situation, so you were working really hard to get over it, guys, but you are seeing that success for sure, guys, in whatever you are taking up in your work or in other areas. Maybe in this relationship you are facing certain obstacles, but you are reaching that achievement stage, something happy coming your way, guys. So you are feeling quite fortunate and relieved because of that, because of the way certain things are concluding. And maybe for some of you all, if it is relating to some kind of arguments with this person or quarrels, you are reconciling with them, guys. You are coming to a consolation. Maybe they are coming over to console you, or you are going to console them. So let us see what is the cards here with your energies. Ace of Pentacles, Two of the High Priestess in reverse, Five of Wands. Maybe for some of you all, you may be having a child, guys, or something, some obstacles. You may want to have a child, but you are facing certain obstacles in that area. Or you may want to start a family, but you are facing some some kind of obstacles in that. Something is stopping you, maybe. So that is also the energy here. So with these cards, Pisces, the energy is that, guys, your person is feeling great attraction and passion towards you, something which is not not of the ordinary. They have that intense love towards you, and that is what they feel about this relationship. And they have a great understanding about you. They want you. Maybe there are times that they feel that you are struggling in your relationship. Maybe few conflicts and quarrels are there in this relationship, but you surely see the bonding that is there. They surely see that your relationship has that deep bond and understanding of love is there. so they want to be in this relationship with you, and they feel that happiness and contentment in this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you all, just like I said before, you may have plans to start a family, but you feel or your person feels there are certain obstacles coming in the way, guys. So that is what they feel about this relationship. So let us see what is your energy with these cards here, guys. The Tower in reverse, Knight of Swords, Knight of Cups in reverse. Pisces, with this relationship, you feel there are certain things that are opposing your connection. Maybe somebody or your common friends, they may be, what to say, working to separate you both, or your family, someone is trying to trick you both, guys. Though you feel you have that great love and understanding with this person, the person who is trying to, what to say, oppose you or some way ruin this relationship, they may not see your great bond or great love that you share. They may be doing it because of their concern for you. They don't want you to associate with this person, guys. So that may be the energy here. That is why they are trying to separate you. So they may be trying to trick you or trying to create certain situations to make you see this person as someone fraud, some fraud, and they are working against you, guys. That is what you feel, or this may be related to this person also, this energy. So you may feel that this person is trying to trick you. Maybe they are trying to swindle money from you and cheat you in some way. That is the reason that they are there in this relationship. But the person's energy is they have that great love and passion towards you, guys. And also I see here that something is ending, guys. Maybe this relationship or this negative feeling, negative emotions. So whatever deception or opposition that you're facing, that is coming to an end, guys. So you may come to a better understanding of this person, or you maybe, for some of you all, you may be leaving this person. So that is also the energy here, guys. But nothing in these cards are final, guys. These are just pointing you towards certain energies that you may have in this relationship. So it is all there in your hands. Whatever way you decide, it is totally up to you. So you need to think clearly and get an understanding of your situation, then proceed with the decision, guys. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, Pisces. I'll be picking one card from this angel deck, guys. Angel Michael. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means the angels are there guiding us today, guys. So sometimes in life, just like I said, this may be your situation. You may be facing certain overwhelming challenges and troubles. So you need to give up that fear and worry from your heart, guys. And you need to understand that certain things happen to help us learn the lessons we need to learn in our life. So it is a part of our journey. So you need to have that strength and courage in your situation, and maybe sometimes you may see signs, certain visions or dreams. You may feel guided by your intuition. So when you have that intuition, you have to take up that decision, guys, whatever comes to you. So all of a sudden you certain choices or certain decisions may come all of a sudden. You may have a gut feeling towards that choice. So when you are unsure about your decisions, you have to trust your intuition, guys, and take up that choice. So you may clearly understand that angels are guiding you in that choice, guys, and have that strength and courage in your heart, and you can feel that the angels are protecting you and the universe is protecting you today, guys. And that is the reading for today, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this video resonated with you all, reading resonated with you all, please like and comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Pisces.